So I'm using a reciprocating surface grinder here. What this does is it takes a very, very small material off at a time. I'll show you an example of how the machine works. So we put the piece on the chuck here and the table moves across the grinder. What that does for us is it gives this really, really like mirror-like finish on the metal. In comparison, here's some that hasn't been grinded yet. And yeah, I'll show you how it works. And then make sure I'm grinding the correct side. And then right here, that activates the magnet, and this metal won't move now. So from here, bring this up just to make sure we're in the clear. And then from here, we reciprocate and bring it down really slowly. We do this until we get some sparks. Now the idea is that we take off very, very little amount of material. It's about 0.0002 inches of metal at a time. Too much ground right there. And that's what we get.